Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today we are going to take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum quoted to Tether at the Zonda cryptocurrency exchange. Today is Thursday, August 25th, 2022. We are going to take a look at the daily time frame chart using the Japanese candlesticks, moving averages, Fibonacci levels, and the classical technical analysis. So what do we have here on this chart? First thing is that the high was made here at the level of 4,865. Since then we've been moving lower towards 888 tethers. Since then we are in a bounce. This bounce made is 128%. The last bounce or the last correction was 65%. So this bounce is a double of the last bounce. So it might be considered as a completely different kind of a cycle. However, this move to the upside remains below this trend line, and as you can see, below the 200 days moving average. However, the 100-day moving average is right now first violated, and then it's been tested, and it is being used as a support, dynamic support for the bulls. What else? We have the channel here. As you can see, this channel was tested once, and then new local high was made. The channel was tested for the second time, in line with this channel aligns with the 100 days moving average. We have a bounce, we have the pin bar, we have the pin bar here. We have a bounce back into the old supply zone. Right now the market doesn't actually respect this zone. This zone was made after this lows here from 2020-21, so it was good one as a once it was a good zone for the bulls. Market bounced from this, bounced of it, and then it goes lower. So let's just zoom in and see what is going on this market in more detail. First thing that you possibly notice, we retraced 38% of the last wave, big wave down, 1,931. The local high was 2,025 tethers. So 2025, let's just adjust this number here. 2025 is the local high. So as you can see, we've made just, there you go. We're just now trying to resume the rally, resume this rally up, this bounce up, however you call it. For now, as long as the upper channel line is being used as a support, as long as the 100-day moving average is being used as a support, there is still a chance for a breakout above 2025 tethers towards 2162, which is the next technical resistance, and then towards 50% Fibonacci retracement of the last big wave down located at 2248, or even 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of the last big wave down located at 2565 tethers. So what I'm talking about is this big wave down from 3586 to 888. So this is roughly around $3,000 drop. So is the outlook positive? Yes, the outlook is still positive because market behaves in a technical way. So the market is highly technical. It recognizes the level, it respects the level, it bounces the level. The market is reacting on the technical level. So it's so far is so good. However, as we know, the merge is coming to the Ethereum, and we want to see, of course, the result and of the merge and the market reaction for the new proof of stake consensus mechanism. So most of the traders right now is very excited, is very pleased with the situation on the Ethereum, because the project is still in progress, is developing in a constructive way. So they want to see higher prices on the Ethereum just before the merge or after the merge. So far, of course, we have very nice bounce, 128% from 888 tethers to 225 tethers. Not a big problem for bulls, but they want more, and it's seen on the market that this drop here is simply a correction, a local correction. We should expect this market to go higher. The main problem will be 200-day moving average, trend line here on a daily time frame chart, 2162 technical resistance, and 50% level. So basically this zone here, let me just show you guys on the screen. This zone around here, this zone here will be a problem for the market participants. Let's make it, I don't know, blue, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Let's make it like blue. This zone here will be a real problem for bulls, and if this zone is violated, then of course we can assume that the market will fly higher towards 61% or even above. So please keep an eye on the zone between 50, this is a roughly very roughly placed zone between 2248 and 2162 because of this technical resistances, the moving average, and of course the trend line. Market reaction on this zone is crucial. It will be a key reaction in the near term, and the result of this reaction will be a clue where the market wants to go in the nearest future. If there is any kind of a failure around this zone or inside of this zone, we have a potential to really drop lower. However, this is not up to us, this is up to the market. So please stay focused, stay vigilant, and wait for this market to test this zone, because it looks like the market wants to test it, and it will be tested soon, maybe even before the match. The result, the way it's being played out by the market participants will be the key in the incoming days. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time for another Ethereum to Tether analysis on the Zonda exchange. So take care for now, and bye bye.